won the main event, obviously you'd buy a lot of things, but what would be the first thing that you would buy?
Some things for my young daughters. I have a 4-year-old and a 1-year-old, so probably some stuff for them.
Oh, probably 7 golden retriever puppies.
Give some of it away, I'm sure.
Oh, that's nice.
I'm sure the kids could use some for when we're gone, but other than that, just to have a good time.
Probably a house, trip to Europe.
I'd probably just go on some epic vacation.
I feel like my dog is gonna get the sweetest new dog house.
A lot of no, don't say it.
Don't try.
I'd probably get a car, honestly.
Yeah?
I'd probably get a driver's license, then get a car.
Probably pay for a wedding first.
Vacation. I'm not going to buy anything, but I'm going on vacation. Cabo.
I would say, you know those like biscuits in the tubes that are like they're Pillsbury, like you get like 6 to 8 biscuits in them. I would like buy as many of those as I could. Like if there's like a BOGO going, I would buy like a lot of those biscuits.
I'm going to Disneyland.
Oh no.
All right, MJ Gonzalez tweeted, anyone want to make $500? Come stand in line for me at Bally's Late Reg line for the bounty.
The main event is a totally different beast of an animal from most other poker tournaments, and it seems that almost every year we start the debate, could you fold aces or kings pre-flop, level 1 of day 1?
I'm gonna fold kings day 1. If it goes, I'm not gonna fold aces pre-flop.
Aces, never folding aces pre-flop in my life. I don't care what the buy-in is. Kings, obviously it depends on the action, but kings usually not folding pre-flop either.
Just for the record, I'm never folding aces pre-flop at the main event. Never once. I don't care if it's hand 1. Kings, I mean, only if I know I'm up against aces. I'm never folding either.
Chris Moneymaker says, for anyone who took under 0.5 bracelets this year, the sweat starts Wednesday as I am heading out to Vegas for the WSOP main event. Let's go, Mr. Poker Boom himself. Look, I got the over. If anyone can do it again, it's Moneymaker.
If you guys haven't already, click subscribe and that little notification bell. You ought to do it now because we are going to be here with you every step of the way as we crown the next World Series of Poker main event champion.
The WSOP tweeted out 911 message to players. WSOP will make every effort to sit all players for what may be a record main event. We urge anyone able to play 1B or 1C for best experience. Day 1D is expected to be massive, requiring 10-handed play and potential long waits for alternate seating. Yeah, I mean, with all the different flights, it may be tough to choose. Poker players are always looking for an edge, though. Patrick Leonard tweeted out, playing 1D is still the play in my opinion. All the regs changing to 1C, while amateurs won't care, plans already fixed. Sure, day 1 will be 10-handed at times, but this will be relative softest day 2 in history. What do y'all think? Is it worth playing 10-handed to get a softer field? Let me know.
First couple of hands in the main event, we got aces and kings. Can you explain to those of us novices out there why it might make sense during the main event to fold aces, like probably for the first 2 days?
No, it doesn't make sense. Depends. If you are a pre-flop, I don't think you should fold. It depends from the situation. On the river in a big pot that there is a flush, a straight, then that's poker. But you shouldn't play your hands too much differently if you think you're doing something profitable. This is what I think. But
Good luck.
Okay, thank you. Happy birthday, America.
Yeah, thank you. July 4th, baby. 1776. Bubbling any tournament is not fun, but bubbling the main event might be one of the worst experiences in any poker player's career. I'm sorry, Angel, but this does not have to be you. If you are an active member of ClubGG, you can get bubble protection in the World Series of Poker main event and a handful of other tournaments throughout the year. For less than $50, you can get yourself bubble protection in this year's World Series of Poker main event, so you guys definitely will want to check that out.
Today is the 4th of July, so there's definitely some excitement in the air. Tom Wheaton tweeted out, a guy who wins a hot dog eating contest is more known in America mainstream than any of the world's most accomplished poker players. The contests are mass media and marketing extravaganzas covered by nationally renowned networks and streaming providers. We need to do better. Yeah, I mean, I agree. Poker players, they need to get more commercially recognized profiles. It would be great for the game. I think that major networks giving poker players more attention, that would be a great start.
Two truths and a lie. Poker edition.
The youngest person to ever win a World Series of Poker bracelet was 17 after he took his older brother's ID to play. Card companies used to push for a 5th suit in the deck, the Eagle. The longest poker game ever went over 8 years. Which one's the lie?
No, 8 years.
Okay, it's C. This one is the false one.
C is the lie?
Yeah.
The longest poker game went for 8 years and 6 months. That one is correct.
Oh my God.
Johnny Chan would always carry an orange with him for good luck. He'd have a little orange. A set of jacks can never be the nuts by the river. It can never be the best hand possible. Flushes are better than straights, but they're actually a little bit more common than straights. Which one's a lie?
The jacks, actually. Second one. Can never be the best hand on the river? Oh, that's really tricky. I'm going to have to say that one. That just seems weird.
That's actually correct.
Oh my God.
And it is.
I need some more poker studies.
Flushes are a little more rare than straights.
Yeah, that I figured. Yeah. But okay.
Poker started in New Orleans. Doyle Brunson once played a 50-hour session. Poker used to be played with 20 cards in the deck. Which one's the lie?
I'm gonna say 1.
It was actually the Doyle Brunson. He's never played a 50-hour session. The main event used to be a limit event. Aces and eights is known as dead man's hand, and a Russian player once bet his wife in the pot and lost.
The World Series was a limit event.
That's correct. 3 of a kind with jacks can never be the best hand by the river. Every straight has to have either a 10 or a 5 in it. Flushes, although they're better than straights, they're actually more common.
Yeah.
That one's actually true.
How is that true?
What's a straight that doesn't have a 10 or a 5 in it?
Oh fuck, wait, it was,
Yeah.
Those, okay.
You want to pick some new ones? You want to try again?
Mm-hmm.
Some of these are tough. Some of these are really tough. Spades, the suit, was named after the pattern on a French falcon. Men can enter the ladies' event, but instead of $1K, they pay $10,000.
That's
and
true.
Richard Nixon funded his presidential campaign with poker winnings.
That's true.